Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's very interesting to see all the replies and all the comments that you guys have on Windows 12 subscription possibilities. I've talked about it. I'm not going to talk about it, 20 minutes, but when I added some of my personal options and opinion on it, and I'll add some again that I. So first of all, I don't think that the basic Windows 12 is going to be a subscription, and the reason why is that it'd be difficult to do so in the fact that everybody else does not do that. For example, if you buy a Mac, you've got the operating system that comes with the computer, and there's no subscription there. Some have come up with Linux. Some have come up with, I'll move on to other things. Honestly, Linux is not where people are going to go. It's very simple. There will be no rush to Linux if Windows fails. There'll be a rush to some other device. Mac might, Apple Macs might be one option for some, but remember that people moving on from Windows, the majority of them are moving on to by noticing that, hey, you know what, my iPad does what I want. Why do I need a PC? And so on. That's really the future of computing for a lot of people. But for the standard PC, what I think, and you know what, I was actually looking at kind of the Friday news roundup that Brad Sams always posts. And one of the things that actually reaches exactly what I said in my video yesterday. And it's what I actually thought of as, we talked about how AI costs company a lot of money. Apparently, just running this Bing chat here and running the Copilot in Windows 11 is costing a fortune to actually execute. So somewhere, it's nice that AI will be in PCs, but there's a cost to it. And I think that's where they want to get the cost back. So that's exactly what I was thinking yesterday. I didn't say it exactly in that way. I said, there are some things that might actually, and some AI things that might be subscription. And I still think that is what they mean. There's no indication of anything. What that code, that the line of code that desk modder in Germany actually posted, just talks about subscription things. But there's no, you can't take it and say, hey, it's a Windows 12 subscription. Absolutely. But I think that Windows 12 will get into simply one side of the subscription thing. Is that you will get Windows 12. I would probably, I would, we'll see next year, but I will say something right now, and maybe somebody can keep that somewhere and say, hey, you were right or you were wrong when we learn about Windows 12 a little more. My take on it is Windows 12 will be free upgrade to Windows 11 users and probably Windows 10 users that can or are compatible with. And I would not think that there's any other way to do that. Why? Because Microsoft has simply, they gave us Windows 10 after, and they gave you Windows 11 to Windows 10 users. It's just a nonsense that they would be able to charge for Windows 12. They won't. They will if you buy a new PC, like always, because there's a license fee that you have in the price of your new computer when you buy a new PC with Windows installed on it. But the thing is, I think that you will have a free upgrade to Windows 12. And there will be, if you buy a PC, a Windows 12 that is not a subscription Windows 12. It's Windows 12. It's an upgraded version of, say, Windows 11. Where the subscriptions, I think, are, and that's exactly what Brad Sams was talking about in his own video, is that we will see probably subscriptions for AI things. because it costs so much money for all of that to run that they'll have AI or artificial intelligence features in Windows 12 that for them to work, you'll need to pay a subscription to them. So it's kind of a new service that's added. So I think all of the subscription things that we see are pretty much all there. It is simply, we'll have Windows 12, but we'll have subscriptions to some of the features, like AI features. And that's pretty much what I was thinking yesterday when I saw the subscription. Because Windows can, it's almost impossible for Windows to be a yearly license thing. No operating system has a yearly licensing fee. It would be a nonsense to go there for Microsoft because they'd be alone doing it. And they are making a lot of money anyways already with Windows. So I'm pretty sure that the AI thing will be that. So if anyone here wants to write that down and shove it in my face in a year from now saying, that's what you said last year, not true, or yeah, you were pretty right. You were close. That's my crystal ball prediction, because we don't have any idea. But that's my crystal ball prediction that Windows 12 will be a free upgrade. It will be available, of course, on new PCs. There will be no subscription for using Windows 12 except maybe some AI stuff that will be subscription. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.